97%. Our main process is all around cultural competence. What are the behaviours, practices and filters? What more can we do than statements and our flags, which is so important? What are the ways we can be more culturally responsive? More supportive. Like I said, the unions have led in this field with innovation. My brother was one of the first Arthur Hamilton winners in Logan down our way, back in the early 90s, or late 90s, sorry. How can we go about expanding those opportunities? Because like I said, I got my opportunities through Stronger Smarter, not from the Queensland Education Department. That's a bit of our footprint. The other 97%, our main process is all around cultural competence. What are the behaviours, practices and filters? What more can we do than statements and our flags, which is so important? What are the ways we can be more culturally responsive? More supportive. Like I said, the unions have led in this field with innovation. My brother was one of the first Arthur Hamilton winners in Logan down our way, back in the early 90s, or late 90s, sorry. How can we go about expanding those opportunities? Because like I said, I got my opportunities through Stronger Smarter, not from the Queensland Education Department. That's a bit of our footprint.